Hi there and good evening. This is Nib again, and I'm here for another unboxing. And this time for Funko Cartoon Network, Dee and Dexter. Okay, this is a um, very popular cartoon, Dexter's Laboratory, and this specific Funko Pop looks nice and close to the subject characters. Okay, so let's do it. There you go. That's Dee and Dexter of Dexter's Laboratory. They're so cute, and the scale is just fine. Although Dee is supposed to be very sharply taller than Dexter, but in the interest of Funko design, here their heights are not so far apart. Okay, so let's start with Dee. Okay, with Dee, it's very like the character. You will notice more about her arms being, like angular and long, freakishly long. Uh, that's nice. And then she's wearing a tutu as usual, and that signature, smile or what, laugh. So yeah, it is very nice. Good design. Okay, and now let's go to Dexter. Dexter, as usual, the geek. Dexter, the geek, is very overachieving, smart, and here is showing a. This is not a game console. I think this is more of a remote control of one of his inventions. so cute. He's always looking so sad, so grouchy. I like it very much. Okay, just for your information, this is not the first Dexter's Laboratory Funko Pop, but this the first for Dee. But Dexter has had I think one pop exclusive pop. I think exclusively released by the Funko shop, and it's so hard to find. Okay, so that's why I'm so glad that they were able to release regular versions of these, so that a lot of people will be able to enjoy these pop vinyl figures. Okay, so that's it. Another satisfying unboxing of one of my favorite characters, Dexter of Dexter's Laboratory, and his sister Dee. Okay, if you like this video, please tap on the like button, and if you want to see more of my unboxing videos, you can just tap on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much. Until the next vlog. Good night.